Today we're going to replace the ink cartridge on an Epson XP-420. So first thing we're going to do is open up the lid, and you can see it says I need to replace the cartridge. Press OK to proceed, and then replace now. Alright, so today we're going to replace the M cartridge, which is this one here. There is a flap on the back here. Press that in, hold it down, and pull straight out, and then discard the old cartridge. And here's the new cartridge. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Take it out of the package. There's one thing we have to do is remove right here this flap. That allows air to get to the cartridge itself. Then the same way we took it out, we're going to put it back in. We're going to depress this. We're going to put this, slide this in, and then using two fingers. So once you have the ink cartridge installed, press the start button, and it will automatically start going through and charging the ink cartridges and checking them to make sure everything's in full operating condition. Takes only a couple of, maybe a minute to go through this process. And then once it's done, we should get an all clear. And everything's ready to go. At this point, we can go ahead and close the lid. The light will continue to blink as it's going through and checking everything to make sure everything's okay. And it says replacement complete. Click OK. Done. And then I don't want to change sheet feeder, so I am done, and it's back to normal. That's how you change the ink cartridge on an Epson XP-420.